Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad from Tausug 101 Learn Bahasa Sug in Anything Tausug. Today we're going to learn how to write in Sulat Sug. Our first word for today is bangsa. Okay, so our word for today is bangsa. We're going to write the Sulat Sug version of this word. So here are our steps. First, identify the huruf or the letters in the Sulat Sug or Alif Bata. So get your cheat sheet and check the letters. So in bangsa, one tip here is to ask how many consonants are there in that word. So bangsa, we have ba, nga, and sa. So there are three consonants. We have ba, nga, and sa. Next, write the consonants, then its baris vowels in Sulat Sug. Remember that in Bahasa Sug, in Sulat Sug, we write from right to left, not from left to right, just like in Arabic. And there are only three vowel sounds: baris taas, which is a; baris baba, which is i; and baris depan, which is u. So we have bangsa. So let's start with the first letter, ba. So this is how you will write ba. With both and that's ba. And the baris is a, so baris is taas, ba, so that's ba. The next we have nga. Nga has no vowel sound, so we'll follow the third step. Consonants without the vowels use the sukun or baris patay in Bahasa Sug. So this is nga, which it has baris patay, so we write nga. This is how you write nga, and with the baris patay or sukun because it has no vowel sound. And last we have the sa. So sin, we have, it has a vowel sound which is a, sa, and a is baris taas, so we write the letter sa, baris taas, sa. So this is ba dengan taas ba, muno pa nga bang, sin dengan taas sa, bangsa. Now if we will connect this, if you write this in Langkus, we do this like this: bang, sa, ba, nga, sa. Again, bang, sa, ba dengan taas ba, muno pa nga bang, sin dengan taas sa, bangsa. That's how you write bangsa in Bahasa Sug. Subscribe for more.